Did you know that birds have accents just like us? It's true. Depending on where they live, their songs change. Take the white-crowned sparrow, for example. They develop regional dialects. City birds sing louder and faster to cut through all that noise. Meanwhile, rural birds prefer softer, longer notes. When they migrate, they adapt and mimic local tones, almost like learning a new language. It's evolution happening in real time, all through their songs. Researchers have even found bird language drift over generations. Just like our human slang, their songs evolve too. Different skies, different voices. Nature speaks in accents too. If you love discovering these hidden harmonies, subscribe for more.